Hi everyone, this will be like a little Animal Jam blog. So yeah, I'll just be talking about Animal Jam. Anyways, I'm sorry, Rowan, 70719, for not getting your gift in my video. It's just because like you gifted me right after the video is over, so I'm really sorry about that. But you're in this video, so cheers. Why is it going so small? So yeah, pretty much this video will be about like Animal Jam, as you guys know. Like you know those lame people that like they're always like, oh, she's a scale or something. Like how it's like, I'll give you guys a shout out if you gift me, and she's like, no, the shout out to fake the scale, and it wasn't because obviously I made the video, but it's your username. Yeah, but anyways, I was a girl. Her name was, where is she? She gifted me something. Oh, it's not anything big. And she's like, stupid. Missy Mart. This girl said that I wouldn't give a shout out to people that gifted me, and I did. So, you're really gonna need a shout out in this video, girlfriend. So, yeah, I'm on the Animal Jam right now, chatting. Oh, you can see Sam Smith in the back, maybe, I don't know if you can. But, anyways, I might be getting a membership tomorrow or Sunday. But, yeah, but, like, those dumb people that are always like, hey, you're faking it, you're not actually making a video. And I was just like, oh, yes I am actually, but, they're like, no you're not. And it's so stupid, like, it makes me so mad. Like, I'm like, yes I am. And you're like, no you're not. And wait till you see me your special little shout out on my video saying that you are BITCH. So, I hope that shout it. Hope telling me I know shout out was worth it. B. But yeah, like, I like it when people gift me because it makes me feel good. I might sound weird, but I like it. Because I like being gifted, and it makes me like, feel like Animal Jam is more than Animal Jam. And I got a rare bonnet from one of my gifters. I really like my bestie gifted me her flower crown because mine got scammed. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. And he's like, ooh. Yeah, but if you see this video, can you like gift me? Because I love getting gifted. And I like it a lot. I like it. I can't find my what do you call my armors? Dirty. Where are they? But I'm at Jamal right now. Is this recording? But this is what I'm doing. This customizing my names. But yeah. This pet's needing my den adopter to trade me to say I if you have any epic tiger plush. Typical Jamal shoutouts. But I must them right gift me for a thanks. But I don't think anyone's gonna gift me. Only if they're like really nice. Gift me, it would be awesome. Yeah, but I hate those kind of people. Like, I'm not trying to be mean, like you're picking on anyone, but I hate those Arctic Wolves with their free chat and stuff. And it's like typing on the numbers, but I have free chat and I'm an Arctic Wolf. But like, I'm not like, oh, you're so stupid and all that, but like, they don't act all cool and stuff, like, you know. But that's just Animal Jam. But yeah, but this is Jamal. Here's Jamal, Jamal. I'm gonna give this person a shout out right here. I'm gonna go to her then. So bye everyone, peace.